Jody Walters here at MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. A little overcast day, but it don't mean we can't take a boat for a ride. This is the brand new 2020 NauticStar 223 DC dual console. Great little sport boat. Very economical sport boat, but that doesn't mean it's cheaply made. This got 100% wood-free construction, lifetime warranty on the hull. Comes with a quality bimini top, folds back out of your way if you just want the sunshine. It's powered by a 200 Yamaha, which pushes this boat on really quick. You have the back-facing loungers, so you can keep an eye on your skiers. Nice ski pole, roomy head here. Great island boat. It's got the air dam with a flip-up windshield, so you can completely seal this off on a little brisk day. Comes with optional filler pads here, so you can make this an entire layout pad. Great boat for the beach. You get through skiing, you run up on the beach, you have a boarding ladder with an anchor. Throw the anchor out, secure it on the beach, climb in and out. You don't have to have the wet landings getting off of the back of the boat. Xfinity speakers, wash down so you can get all the salt off of you. Just a great fun family boat. We have these and many more to choose from at MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. You can reach me at 850-708-1317. Thank you.